Welcome back, guys, to Steven's DIY Auto Repair. Today we're going to be doing an oil change in this 2004 Toyota Camry. It's got a 2.4 liter inline engine, and we're going to be using Pennzoil full synthetic 5-weight 30 with the Fram oil filter. Alright guys, let's get to it. Okay guys, so before we start trying to drain it, we're gonna come up here, take the oil fill cap off to help let it breathe so we can drain the oil better. It's also good if you let the car run for about 10-15 minutes, not too long because it's gonna be too hot, but just where the oil gets warm so it kind of flows out easier and better, and you could do a complete oil change like that. So just a FYI. Alright guys, so we're here under here. Here's your oil pan. There's your fastener, your drain bolt. And it's gonna take a 14 millimeter. And we're just gonna crack it loose. There we go. Make sure your drain pan is situated. And just drain it out. Pretty simple, guys. Alright, so we'll let this set and I'll bring you back when it's done. Okay guys, so while that's draining, you want to inspect your bolt, as well as your washer. And with these, they take a drain plug gasket or a crush washer, whichever you want to call it, and these cannot be reused. You have to replace these, because once they conform or crush, once you torque the bolt down, there's no more reusing them. So you have to get rid of that. So we went ahead and bought a new plug as well as a pack of washers. So we're gonna go ahead and get those put on. Okay guys, so it stopped draining. So we're just gonna give it a little wipe down. Take our new bolt, new drain plug. Take our new drain plug with our new washer. Just put it right in there. Okay guys, scratch that. We used our old drain plug. Sorry, let that car go by. Okay, so we used our old drain plug, but with the new gasket. The new one we bought was just a tad too long, and I don't want to force it. So we're gonna go ahead and torque this, according to service information, to 18 foot-pounds. know if you guys can see it. Well, hopefully you guys can see it. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and torque this to 18 foot-pounds. Okay guys, so we got that torque down. Sorry I wasn't able to show you. So now we're gonna go ahead and take off our oil filter. And I'm probably not gonna be able to show you that either. So I'll bring you back. Okay guys, so well, okay guys, we finally got it loose. Our normal oil filter ratchets wouldn't work, so we had to run out and go buy a special one. So we finally got it done, so now let's just unscrew it. As it makes a mess. There you go. Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and clean up that mating surface where the oil filter attaches to the oil filter housing. Get some of this oil that's dripping cleaned up and install the new one. All right guys, so we're gonna take our oil and fill up our oil filter. If I make a mess. So we're gonna fill it up so we don't have a dry start, and then we're gonna install it. Okay guys, we have our mating surface cleaned up there. And we've pre-filled our oil filter. So we're gonna go ahead and install it. And remember to put a little bit of oil on the oil gasket so that you can get a good seal and it's easier to take off for next time. Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and fill it up. It takes just under 5 quarts. So we're gonna go ahead and fill it up, run it, and make sure there's no leaks, and then send it. So we'll be right back. All right guys, there you have it. We ran it, we have no leaks. We're gonna drop it down and just check the oil, top it off. I can't check it right now because we still have it up on jack stand, so it's not gonna give us an accurate reading. So there you go guys. Hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button. If you would like to be notified when I put out more videos, make sure to hit that notification bell. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, go ahead and drop them in the comment section below. And until next time guys, have a good one.